But divorce, it's easier because it is like an argument to a con. You'll never have an argument and that's why nokphela kwayiqedwa English because ayinangqondo. Uthe wena ngizokushaya bashata ngizokufunela umakoti. Yona ungijwayela amagunya sebhayana. But mawuthi, you know what? I really feel this is not going to work. Athi work. Njalo masinenkinga ufuna ke emsebenzini. Hamba uyigwala kabi njandini. Gijima vele shona khona. The best divorce is when you see it divorce nomlungu. It's not funny. Because umlungu uzama letter, she must go for counseling, she must go for therapy, she's traumatized. Tana selokishini hayi. Uvela thatha amakhethi wakhe neTupperware. Athi asini. Amakhethi noma wathenge Fortsburg kanzima. Nale Tupperware sifebe uzonya, uzoza nabobhuti abomlungisi, bazokhama. And she goes. Iphelile akiwa court, akiwa ndawo. That's why we talk here today is actually broke. He can't stand. He can't stand running politics because ukudivorce nomlungu uza nento eziningi. Uvava umfazi wakho uvela wabona ba yo ndizawuyaphi. I mean Xhosa girls bane ngiqinisa but ngibuza myeka. Uyawutyiwa ngibani ngoku? Iicalves ziwile impundu zilapha. Gents bafuna ukudivorce iCherry. Ungamdivorce manje. Divorce sekamdala. La sekafanelwa uniform ye societies. Akekho umuntu ozokuhlupha la. You know